Not really, not necessarily. It's too early. Actually, we are at the beginning of this testimony, and we have to wait and see. We have ahead of us at least another 9 meetings, but we have to realize, understand that Filber is a state witness, which means by definition he was an accessory, an accomplice actually, an accomplice to Bibi Netanyahu crimes, and as such he realized that the prosecution could actually put him on trial. Instead of putting him on trial, he was given the benefit of being a state witness, and as such, he is obligated to testify against Bibi Netanyahu and tell the truth. Now, the problem is, what is the truth? The truth, according to the State of Israel, the prosecution is what he was testified the police. And each time he will try to deviate from this testimony, he's in danger. He's taking upon himself the danger of declaring, the state will declare him as an hostile witness, which means that the state will put him on trial, which is for him is a very, very grave consequences.
It's a risk for him, but I think in the public opinion, nobody really cares about Shlomo Filber at the end of the day. The reason why this case is very interesting is because of the man who is the main one charged here, and that's Benjamin Netanyahu. So the question is whether, if he becomes a hostile witness in that case, whether the state would have enough of a case against Benjamin Netanyahu.
Well, I guess that the answer is positive. I mean, before the state decides to declare him as a state witness, they made sure that they have enough corroboration to what he said, the police. And if, according to the present law, evidence law, if he will indeed contradict his testimony at the police and declare to be a hostile witness, the court actually accepts the testimony he was giving the police, and together with the corroboration that the state holds in hands, that will be enough to connect Netanyahu to those crimes.
I see. Now, in terms of to our viewers who are not caught up to date with the trial, and there has been, of course, a plague, and there has been a war going on in Ukraine in the last month. Where do things stand? How much longer are we expected to see this trial going on? And what are currently the chances of Netanyahu to getting out of this without serving time in prison?
Well, as I said, I'm trying to be very, very cautious about it, and it's too early to appreciate, but realize. But those state witness, Hefetz and Filber, are main actors, and I think that most of the evidence will depend on those state witness. I don't think that Bibi, I'm saying it and stating it very carefully. I don't think that at this stage has a chance to get off those charges.